So here's how to cut video with Gling AI. And by the way, you can click on the link below to try out Gling AI so you can follow along with this tutorial, and it will be on the description. So now once you click the link, just simply click on start for free. And from here, just simply sign up if you don't have an account, or sign in if you have, and just simply log in into your account. And now from here, once you're signed in, just click on here, web editor. And from here, just simply drag your videos or just simply click to browse. And now from here, just simply select your video and click on open. And from here, just simply click on continue. And after that, you will have here multiple features that you can choose from. So you can enable cut silences, which is automatically remove the silent moment from your video. And you can cut the bad takes as well. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And now just simply click on enhance and edit, and just simply wait for it to load up. And now from here, as you can see, when you want to cut the video, you can just simply click on split over here. And now as you can see, you will have two clips. And if you want to cut it, you can just simply go ahead and use the zoom bar over here. So I'm gonna zoom it. And from here, just simply select the first clip and just simply adjust if necessary. And now, as you can see, this is the starting point and this will be the end point over here. And just simply click on split again over here. And after that, you will have this bar over here. So right click on it and just simply click on cut. And as you can see, it will cut that clip. And from here, just simply repeat the process that I showed you based on where do you want to cut. And now once you are done, you can just simply click on export over here and just simply export the video. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about Gling AI, and thanks for watching.